Hi, this is Rob Regan-Pollock with your update for the week of May 28th. Two things I want to share with you this week. Firstly, an intimate conversation with Sir Richard Branson, and second, what Invis is doing to help you in the ever-changing credit environment. So I had a intimate lunch with 1,400 other people at the Vancouver Board of Trade on Friday, conversation with Sir Richard Branson, and here are my 5 key takeaways. Number 1, your brand needs to be consistent with your own personal values. The alignment of your personal values and your business are key for success in any venture. People spend 80% of their time at work, so it's imperative that you make work a fun and challenging environment. Number 3, that the purpose of business isn't only for making money. Sir Richard was very emphatic that the primary driver of business has been to make a difference in people's lives and to add value, and that's what he's based all his different companies on. And number 4, ever candid, he said screw business as usual as his 4th key takeaway. The way things have always been done doesn't necessarily mean that they're being done the best way possible. So never be afraid to shake it up and always be innovative in whatever it is that you do. Number 5, stick to the issues that matter most to you. Working with passion is a key driver, and Richard Branson said that that's really the most important one in his life. So switching to what Invis is doing to assist in the ever-changing credit environments, we are expecting some more information about mortgage tightening by the end of the month. The proposed B20 rules through OSFI are going to be released around that time. So with continued credit tightening news, Invis is continuing to look for opportunities to serve its 500,000 clients. So our recently announced partner mortgage and recently approved mutual fund trust are ways that Invis is taking its book of business directly to lenders and looking at innovative ways of finding capital to meet the needs of its clients. So if you have any mortgage planning needs coming up, please give us a shout at www.teamrrp.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Have a great week. Bye for now.